Here's how to change your profile picture for your YouTube channel and what to do if you run into some size limitations. Up in the top right-hand corner, click on the circle, head over to the YouTube studio. On the left-hand panel, head over to customization, and boom, right there, under picture is where we're gonna be able to make some changes. So if you already have a profile picture, press change. If you don't, you need to upload one. Key point though is that this image, there's gonna be some file size limitations. So check this out. If I press change, and let's say I pick an image and I get this notification. Try adding a file that's 4 MB or smaller. It's like, okay, the image is just too big. How do we make the image smaller? And how do we get it into the exact pixels that YouTube prefers for fast upload and to make sure the profile picture follows you around? Well, the easy workaround that's totally free is to head over to canva.com. You can just create a free account. You can see right here, I'm in a free account right here. And this is super easy. You click on the top left here, create, literally search YouTube profile, boom, profile picture. I'm letting Canva do the work, man. I'm trying to make videos. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's just get the image done. Okay, so here we go. It's already got the pixels how they should be. It's already got the size how it should be. And when I download the image from here, it's already gonna be the right file size. So it's as simple as this. What do? Well, I'm just gonna add an image. I could drag something right onto the canvas here, or I can head over here to the left, press uploads, upload files. Cool, got that uploaded. Simply select that image and it'll pop up right here on the canvas. Now, what's really cool is I can just crop it how I'd like the image to appear, because full disclosure, once you get back inside YouTube with this image, there's gonna be a circle crop that YouTube's gonna force you to select. So here's how you can really set yourself up for success. Go ahead and hit the crop button up top. Go ahead and select the 1:1 ratio. And now I can simply expand the image to fit that box, and I can drag it around, try to center things up. Once I'm done, I can click done over here on the left-hand side. Now, once I've got it cropped the way I want to make sure it fills up any white space. So I'm gonna drag it up here to the left-hand corner, select this circle at the bottom, click and drag all the way down. Boom, and we have our profile image that's ready to go to YouTube. But how do we get it there? Head over here to the top right, share, download. It's already gonna be in the PNG format, which by the way, is what YouTube already recommends. We're simply gonna hit download. Now we can head back over to YouTube, click change, select that file, which it should be much, much smaller, as you can see right here. Now you've got the ability to crop in even more in the circle, which is the way that your profile picture is gonna show up. And by the way, a lot of people underestimate how small this image can show up. And so if it's you and your face, which I think is a great idea, or it's like you, your company, your business, or your logo, crop in. Let's really, you probably wanna get like almost uncomfortably close to whatever's in here, just because you want it to show up bigger when you're out there posting videos, leaving comments. This profile picture actually follows you around quite a bit of places on the platform. I'm gonna go ahead and hit done. Look at that, boom. Automatically populated. Key point up here at the top right, I wanna make sure that I hit publish. You can go ahead and check out your channel. It should be updated right away, but it can take some time for this picture to populate on YouTube with the current version, just because depending on how many videos you've posted, how many comments you've left, like it could take a second for that switch to change everywhere. Like you can notice here, this profile image has changed, but in the top right and top left, they haven't. If I go ahead and refresh, boom, we're synced up. Everything is changed for the new picture. Now that you got your profile picture looking all fresh, it's probably a good idea to double check your upload settings for your videos, just to make sure you're not missing anything and you're up to date on the latest information. You can click or tap the screen right here and I'll meet you over.